Alert! 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 There is a tornado warning for Wednesday, June 18th, 8:25 to Wednesday, June 18th, 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Alert details. A tornado warning issued June 18th at 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until June 18th, 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time by West South Cleveland, Ohio. A tornado warning for northeastern Huron County and north central Ohio, Erie County and north central Ohio, and Lorain County in north central Ohio until 9 o'clock p.m. And Lorain County is the next county over from where I'm at. And as you see this little box, here, let me reload it. I might have. Okay, here's the tornado warning. As you can see, this little box here is the tornado warning right here. And I'm right in the middle of where this tornado warning is, people. So I think it's hitting us. It hasn't been official yet. It hasn't come on TV yet. But there's a tornado warning for my area, man. West of Cleveland, Ohio. A tornado warning. So people, I'm in a trailer, so I'm going to be prepared to buckle down during this storm, man. And there's supposed to be at least 70-mile-per-hour winds with this storm. So I would probably be in my best interest not to go out and film it. So, and I think we're under a tornado warning right now, people. So I'm going to prepare to hunker down, and I hope that tree outside doesn't fall on my trailer. Thank you very much, people.